Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing in Google Docs. It's a simple process to do. First of all, go to top menu, then click to tools and find out from here voice typing. And also you can use your keyboard by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Click here and here you can see a voice typing microphone icon. You can change your language and then you can type anything using this feature. So if you want to type using voice type, click here and then allow. Hi, what's up? That's it. It's very simple process to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.